In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Maps as alternative to Google Street View. If you want to explore a neighborhood from your iPhone without using Google's tools, Apple's Look Around feature is a great option. It gives you smooth, high-resolution street-level imagery so you can preview a destination, check landmarks, or simply get a feel for an area before you go. Start by opening the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. This is where everything happens. Make sure you have a decent internet connection since street-level imagery can take a moment to load. Now zoom in on the place you want to explore. Use two fingers to pinch outward or double tap to move in closer. Keep zooming until you see the small binoculars icon appear near the bottom left of the screen. That binoculars icon is your gateway to Apple's Look Around. If you don't see it yet, try zooming in a little more or pan to a larger city nearby. Some regions do not support the map walk feature, so if the binoculars never show up, it may not be available in that area. When the binoculars appear, tap the Look Around preview and enlarge it to make it bigger. You'll typically see a small floating window with the street view. Drag it upward to bring it full screen so you get the clearest view. Once it's expanded, you can pinch to zoom in or out and drag your finger to look left, right, up or down. This is helpful for reading storefronts, noticing crosswalks, or checking building entrances. To move along the street, simply tap in the direction you want to virtually walk. You can tap further down the road to leap ahead or tap closer for smaller steps. If you need to turn a corner, first drag to face the new direction, then tap along that street to continue. If tapping doesn't move you, aim for a spot on the roadway itself rather than the sidewalk or buildings, since the path follows the drivable route. When you're done exploring, tap Done at the top, right to exit Look Around and return to the regular map. You'll be brought back to the same location on the map so you can continue planning directions, saving the spot, or just browsing. That's all it takes. Open Apple Maps on your iPhone, zoom until the binoculars icon appears, enlarge the Look Around view, tap to walk the direction you want, and tap Done when you're finished. With these steps, you can comfortably use Apple Maps as an alternative to Google Street View whenever it's supported in your region.